Whether you are a beginner who wants to earn money from YouTube or an experienced YouTuber who is looking for a way to fully automate a YouTube channel, I will show you 2 ways to make videos. In the first way, we will make a complete video by ourselves. And in second way, we will use an advanced AI tool to completely automate our channel. The niche we have today is named Zombies Apocalyptic World. This niche has very high audience interest level, but has zero competition. You may already know how to create a new channel, so we will just start from the script part. For script, we will use ChatGPT. ChatGPT has now introduced GPT 4.0, which provides few pro chats for free per day, but that is more than enough for us. I will simply paste this special prompt, and in return, ChatGPT will provide me a realistic and humorous script. By using this prompt, you will get a script that is more like human-written, but you can still replace a few complex words with the easy words, and you will have a script that is difficult to resist. Now, after you have the script, you can either make images with your imagination, but that might be difficult for the most of you. So I will give ChatGPT another prompt for images to save our time and efforts, and that's it. Now, ChatGPT will also provide us prompts for generating images. Now for voiceover, we will use 11 Labs because it has the most realistic voices compared to other text-to-speech tools out there. Now I will simply paste my script here, and I am going to simply choose Adam's voice. It will be available on the top. It's one of the most beloved A voices out there. So now we will simply generate the voiceover, and when it is ready, we will simply download it. Guys, for images, we will use Playground AI. You can use Leonardo AI if you want to. Now simply click on Create, and just go back to ChatGPT and copy up the first image prompt and paste it here, and then paste this additional prompt for higher quality and more subtle details. Now you have to select this image model. It is the best model for horrific images. Then just keep the negative prompt into custom and choose this 512 x 768 image dimension and keep the number of images 3 and then simply generate. Remember to keep the settings same for your every image. And here our images are ready. You can see quality and details by yourself. They are amazing. Simply download the images. Now let's put everything together in an editing software. I will simply import everything and then simply place the voiceover on the timeline and remove the empty spaces from the complete voiceover. Then take your time and listen to the voiceover carefully, and then simply place your clips on the timeline in sequence so that they perfectly sync with the voiceover. Let's add some animations and transitions, and then I will show you a special trick. But first, we will add simple zoom in and zoom out animations on every clip. And then you can take your time and look for some good transitions that you like them. But to tell you don't go with the fancy ones. They will ruin your edit. Now let me tell you a special trick. Like I will apply that special effect on this clip. Simply right-click on it and then paste it at the same place, just like this. And then click on the clip and go to Cutout, and then click on Auto Cutout. You will shortly understand everything. Now I will go to Effects, and I will simply add this flames effect in between the 2 clips. And here you can see what we did. It feels like the flames are coming from behind the scene, which gives a realistic feel. Like this, you can create tons of cool animations. Just practice different effects. Now let's add captions to our edit. We will simply generate auto captions, and you can simply then select a template from here. I will select this one, and then simply place the captions in the middle of the screen. And now we will add a background music. You can download one from Pixabay, and we will simply reduce the volume and then just export the video. Let's watch it.
In a world where zombies roam the streets, young survivor Lily stumbles upon an old radio broadcasting a mysterious signal. Their trusty dog Max, she follows the signal, hoping to find other survivors. Along the way, they face terrifying encounters with zombie hordes and navigate through abandoned buildings filled with eerie sounds. Just as they reach the source, an old crumbling mansion, the signal suddenly stops. Inside, they discover a hidden underground bunker, but the suspense heightens when they hear footsteps behind them. Lily turns around, gripping her weapon tightly, as a shadowy figure emerges from the darkness.
It was crazy good, but it can be very difficult for some people, so that's why I have a second option. We will use an advanced AI tool that can automatically make these types of videos with just one click. The tool is named VSub. Simply log in with your Gmail, and then you will have many options here. Simply click on this AI video option, then you can select your language from here and then from below. You can choose an image style. For instance, I will choose this one because it matches our theme. So now here we have an option to paste our script. I will simply paste the script here that we generated earlier. And now from the settings option, you will have the option to choose voiceover for your video. You can also use 11 Labs Premium voiceover, and the best part is that you can add the link of unique voiceover from 11 Labs in here. And VSub will automatically add that voice, and then you can use that voice for your videos. Isn't it a great feature? And besides everything, you can create short as well as long videos, then just come back. And to tell you that instead of script or everything else, you can also upload your own voiceover from here. And now simply click on continue and it will automatically start making the video. And when the video is ready, you can add a copyright-free background music from here. Just keep the volume of the music between 15 to 20 and that's it. Just download your video. Let's see the final results.
In a world where zombies roam the streets, young survivor Lily stumbles upon an old radio broadcasting a mysterious signal. With her trusty dog Max, she follows the signal, hoping to find other survivors. Along the way, they face terrifying encounters with zombie hordes and navigate through abandoned buildings filled with eerie sounds. Just as they reach the source, an old, crumbling mansion, the signal suddenly stops. Inside, they discover a hidden underground bunker, but the suspense heightens when they hear footsteps behind them. Lily turns around, gripping her weapon tightly as a shadowy figure emerges from the darkness.
That was even better than I expected. You can check out their pricing. They offer very decent plans, starting from as low as $29. And they also offer a lifetime plan, which gives you access to the tool for lifetime without paying ever again. I hope you like this video. Have a good day.